Audi warning lights and silent faults. Fix the problem step by step. Welcome to episode 5, where we dive deep into diagnosing and resolving common issues in your Audi, from persistent warning lights to elusive silent faults. Understanding your Audi's warning lights is the first step. They use a color-coded system: green for normal, yellow/amber for caution, and red for serious issues requiring immediate attention. Many common Audi problems include electrical malfunctions, oil and coolant leaks, carbon buildup, and issues with the PCV valve, ignition coils, and turbocharger. Electrical issues often manifest as faulty sensors, malfunctioning infotainment systems, or persistent dashboard warnings. Regular diagnostics and software updates are crucial. Oil leaks, common in high-mileage Audis, often stem from failing valve cover gaskets or worn camshaft seals. Low oil levels can lead to engine overheating. Coolant leaks can arise from damaged radiators, faulty water pumps, or malfunctioning hoses. Address coolant loss promptly to avoid engine damage. Direct injection engines are prone to carbon buildup on intake valves, causing reduced performance and rough idling. Periodic cleaning helps mitigate this. A malfunctioning PCV valve can lead to increased oil consumption, rough idling, and engine misfires, and even increased pressure inside the engine. Failing ignition coils or worn spark plugs result in engine misfires and poor fuel efficiency, especially in turbocharged Audi engines. Turbocharged models may experience issues like oil leaks, clogged air filters, or excessive heat buildup, leading to a loss of acceleration. Transmission problems can manifest as rough shifting, hesitation, or warning lights. Regular fluid changes and inspections are key. For DSG transmissions, jerky acceleration or delayed gear changes can indicate mechatronic or clutch pack issues. When diagnosing warning lights, an OBD2 scanner is essential. Audi-specific scanners like VCDS and OBD11 offer in-depth access to control modules. Critical warning lights like the check engine, battery, brake, oil pressure, and temperature lights should never be ignored. The brake warning light indicates a potential hazard, low fluid, or worn pads. The engine overheating light means to turn off the engine and check coolant. The TPMS light signals low tire pressure, requiring immediate adjustment. The oil warning light indicates low engine oil level or pressure. Now, let's walk through the troubleshooting steps. First, gather information by documenting any warning lights or messages displayed. Next, conduct basic checks. Inspect fluid levels for oil, coolant, and transmission fluid to ensure they are within the recommended range. Then, utilize diagnostic tools. Use an OBD2 scanner to read error codes from the vehicle's computer. Check battery voltage. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts when off and between 13.7 and 14.7 volts when running. Inspect fuses and relays. Fuses protect electrical components, while relays manage current to different systems. Finally, examine wiring and ground connections for any visible signs of damage or corrosion. Limp mode is a safety feature that limits engine power to prevent further damage, often triggered by turbocharger or fuel pump issues. If your car enters limp mode, it's crucial to diagnose and address the underlying cause promptly. To diagnose a failed PCV valve, remove the oil cap with the car running. Excessive suction can indicate a problem. Other signs include a whistling noise, rough idling, oil leaks, and a check engine light. Symptoms of a faulty ignition coil include engine misfires, rough idling, poor fuel economy, and the check engine light. Oil leakage in the spark plug wells can also cause ignition coil problems. Remember, this information is for general guidance only. Always consult a qualified mechanic for accurate diagnosis and repairs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth Audi maintenance guides.